Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now, in this video, I want to continue the targeting series. Now, this interest targeting series I started already, and I have two videos before now. You can go on my YouTube and you can see my last two videos where I talked about targeting interest for the fashion accessories, and I also talked about targeting interest for the skincare brand. All right, so this time around in this video we want to talk about the interest targeting for real estate. All right, so real estate brands, realtors and real estate companies, this is for you. So you want to grow your sales, improve your ad conversion for a real estate brand or as a realtor. This video is especially for you. All right, so I'm going to go straight into my phone and I'm going to share with you targeted interest that you can use as a realtor. Okay, so I'm going to go into my phone and I'm going to show you that right away. Okay, so watch closely and you'll be able to see that. So right now, I'm sure you can see my screen right now. So I'm going to click on any of my posts. Now, let me quickly advise that real estate advert is one of the most expensive adverts you can do. The reason is because what you're selling is not, brick and mortar that easily, you can put in small prices. These things cost a lot and you require people to know you more. So as a realtor, as a real estate brand, what you need to focus more on is awareness. You need to focus more on awareness and also gaining leads or generating leads. So lead generation ads as a realtor or as a real estate brand is important for you. Lead generation is important for you. So I'm going to do a profile visit advert. So I'm going to click on any of my posts. Ensure you use a video post because, of course, as a realtor, you can use a video post where you're introducing yourself or talking about the properties that you currently have or showing the properties that you have. So the moment you have selected the video you want to use or the post you want to use, just click boost and then click more profile visit or use any other one. But I would advise that you use more profile visits or more messages. Those are the two that would basically work well for you. So more profile visits and I'll click next. Now, when I click next, I'm going to click create your own and then I'm going to name these real estate target, right? I'm going to name it real estate target. Location, just like I've said in the previous videos, your location has to be based on the places where you have more traction or where your land is. In the case of real estate, you have to target people around where the land is located and also people you feel that have the buying power. So I'm going to target Abuja for this advert. I'm going to target Abuja and Lagos for this advert, right? So done. Now, where we have the work to do is in the interest. So what are the things that people who are interested in real estate, or interested in properties, what are the things that they are searching for? So one of them is property, right? So I'm going to type property. Okay, so I'm seeing real property, private property, property management. So I can take real property. I can also take real estate investing. I can also take house. I can also take new house. Now I can also type in terrace. So I'm going to see terrace house. Those are also very good. You can see single family detached home. I'm going to also select that. I'm also going to select residential area. I'm also going to select land and houses, right? Now I'm also going to look for investment, right? People who want to invest, because you need people who want to invest, right? So let's say investment. So you can say you can look for real estate. This says real estate investment club. You might not need that. Property investment club, no. Alternative investment, you can put alternative investment, right? Also, you can look at let's look at house. Okay, so you can look at house. You can see a lot of you can see there's one here that says house beautiful. No, we don't need to use that. Let's look at home. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a few more. Look at home and then we can be done. Okay, nothing. Okay, there's one here, home, right? So we can also do property. We can also do semi-detached, right? Now, I've given you all this interest. You should not use all of them in one advert. Like I've always said in my previous videos, ensure that you split them in 5 or 6, not all at a time. Okay, so try this interest. Let me know how the response is, let me know also. Now, also note that because you're trying to reach out to people with the buying power, you might need to target some rich people. And I'm going to try to do another video on how to target rich people, and I hope that will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And remember to also share this video with somebody. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another video.